Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friend, today I will talk about Gigabyte's AORUS F032U2P. So friend, the 31.5-inch QD-OLED panel does follow the standard feature set with 10-bit panel, 250 cadmium per meter square brightness, 1.5 million to 1 contrast ratio, 0.03 millisecond G2G response time, and DisplayHDR True Black 400 certification. And friend, this monitor sports a 4K QD OLED panel with a 240Hz refresh rate. And friend, the DP 2.1 port support the full UHBR 20 specification, which is 80 Gbps of total bandwidth over a 420 Gbps DisplayPort lens, which means Gigabyte has not skimped on anything here, and you need that correctly as well. The monitor has two DP 2.1 inputs, one full size and one mini DP input. There is also a USB type input that support DP alternate mode, and in addition to 65-watt USB power delivery and USB data. Although it is not clear that this port also supports DP 2.1. Furthermore, there are two HDMI 2.1 port, one upstream and two downstream USB 3.2 port, as well as headphone and microphone jack. And friend, it will come with a pair of 5-watt speakers and stand that offer tilt, swivel, pivot and height adjustment. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.